are viewed as nearly non-existent in the world we live in. Society believes that when you are a woman, you are incapable of doing a lot of things. Because of society's structures and the continued application of outdated traditional values, the world has changed to the point where women can no longer live as they want. They believe that being a woman entails being a wife, having a child, and being held responsible for housework, deprived of the right to express themselves and make their own decisions. Their partners prevent them from grooming themselves, forbade them from working, and threatened violence of women objected. When women express interest in a career field they would like to pursue, they are met with tough and discouraging words, since they are seen as weak and unfit. Should this be our level in society? Let us prove to ourselves that we are not what society dictates us to be. We can be equal with men and we can cooperate with them. Let us break the barriers that prevent us to achieve equality. Let us stand up for women. Let us stand up against wrong perception. Let us stand up for the good for all.